stop, you do not need a big suitcase to look good while traveling. Most people believe more clothes equals more options, but in reality, it just creates more stress, more mess, and way more time wasted trying to figure out what to wear every single day. What if I told you that you could pack just one carry on and still create 20, even 25 different outfits that actually look clean, intentional, and stylish? Sounds unrealistic, right? That's exactly what I used to think too, until I got tired of overpacking, dragging around heavy luggage, and still feeling like I had nothing to wear on trips. Too many random pieces, nothing matching, and constant decision fatigue every morning. So I simplified everything. Now I travel with a minimalist capsule wardrobe, a small, carefully selected set of clothes that all work together. Every piece has a purpose, every outfit makes sense, and everything fits into one carry-on. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the same. How to pack less, but create more. How to look put together without overthinking it. And how to build outfits using smart color coordination, layering, and simple mix and match strategies. Because style isn't about having more, it's about using less better. And before we get into it, be honest. Are you someone who overpacks or struggles to plan outfits when you travel? The key to making a carry-on wardrobe actually work isn't packing less randomly, it's packing smarter with intention. Start with versatile essentials. Think neutral tops like black, white, beige, or navy tees and shirts that can be dressed up or down. Then add adaptable bottoms, 1 or 2 well-fitted trousers, maybe a pair of dark jeans or chinos that can pair with almost everything. And finally, include multi-purpose outerwear, like a lightweight jacket or overshirt that works in both casual and slightly elevated settings. Now here's where most people get it wrong. Color coordination. Instead of picking random pieces you like, build a cohesive color palette. Stick to neutrals as your base, then add 1 or 2 accent colors. This way, every top works with every bottom and layering becomes effortless. You're not packing outfits, you're packing combinations. This is how a small wardrobe turns into 20+ looks. Another thing that makes a huge difference is fabric choice. Go for lightweight, breathable, and wrinkle-resistant materials. Clothes that don't crease easily and feel comfortable in different climates save you time, effort, and even space. And instead of packing more, focus on packing better. A few high-quality pieces that fit well and serve multiple purposes will always outperform a suitcase full of just-in-case items. So, when you're choosing clothes for your next trip, what's the biggest thing you struggle with? Matching outfits, overpacking, or not knowing what to bring?